Hello YouTube viewers, today I'm going to show you how to slice up a Photoshop image and import it into Dreamweaver. Our first step is to open up Photoshop, open up a new file, set your width and height, resolution. I usually use 200. So when I process my image and view it in my browser, the images and pictures are nice and sharp. Okay, we're going to click OK. Usually you come to the background image, it's going to be locked. Just double click on it and click OK. You can also name this layer if you need to. If not, it doesn't matter. You go here to view, zoom in, and here I'm going to just create some buttons and slice them up to give you an idea how the slicing works. So we're going to come here and type some text. Let's see, 12 pixels. Okay, just gonna type some buttons here. About services, contact. Okay, and here I can evenly space it out. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can size them down to appropriate size. And now we can position them where we want them. Just throw them right in the center. You can also use your margins. That way you can evenly space and center things as you wish on your home page. So in this case, see, it's not quite centered, but if I move my margins over, it's pretty much centered. And also you can do a top bar as well. See, it's not quite centered, then you can adjust it. Okay, now we're going to come with our slicing tool. Just slice over your image. Make sure it's evenly. Slice 1, slice 2, slice 3. And by slicing your images, once you import it into Dreamweaver, this will allow you to just right click on the image and make it a hyperlink. This way, as you click on your buttons from your home page or any other page or whatever pages you have set up in your website, as you click on your images, then you're able to view the appropriate page accordingly. So now we're going to go to File, Save Web and Devices. Here we're going to click Save again. Here you can click your settings, JPEG, maximum, optimize, 100 quality. Click Save. Here you can create another folder. Let's say Test 2. Go into the folder and save. Here I'll save it as index. All slices. Default settings. Make sure it's all slices. And HTML and images. Click Save. And then we can come over here into the folder we just created it. And take a quick view. See, we have our buttons. But as you hover over, you still see the arrow. So then you can come over here, open up the index file in Dreamweaver. Then we can see the page as a Photoshop image. was created. And once we get our settings here, let's see. Okay, right click on the margin. You can center the page, and also we can come in here. This is where we'll put our index.html file, about us.html file, services.html, and our contact.html file. This is what helps create our buttons to navigate through the website. So for now, we're just going to put a placement value, shift pound. This will allow the shift pound will allow the hand to show as if it was an actual page to go to. It's just a default value so you can see how your buttons will operate, and make sure that they're linked appropriately to the correct page. And also border. Anytime you slice out buttons for Photoshop from Photoshop file into Dreamweaver, as you create the hyperlinks, you want to set the border to 0. So you just click each one, set the border to 0. If not, as you can see, it gives the buttons extra padding on the edges. See how this button has that blue line around it, and it throws off the other images within the website. So you want to click each one, make sure the border is set to 0. Home, about, services, and contacts. Alright, then we can save this file. You can close this. You can view it in the browser. And now we can see the actual page here. Refresh. There you see the hand above. As I hover over each button, and this would allow, when you click, it will go to the appropriate page once you click. Alright, this concludes our broadcast of how to take a Photoshop file and convert it into a Dreamweaver file and create links for your buttons. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to this channel.